Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you. This is Muhammadul Hassan Dhabok, uh, is a member of BASE and PhD scholar from University of Kolkata, Department of English. So, today is the second day of BASE Conference 2020, and its theme of Crisis and After Society, Culture and Politics. Before I start today's conference, so I should say something about BASE. BASE, that is Bengali Academia for Social Empowerment, is a developmental organization registered as a trust by a collective of academicians, scholars, professionals, and other like-minded people working for community and social development. In the last couple of years, BASE has been doing some groundbreaking work on various segments and is being regarded as one of the prestigious organization in West Bengal. I must say that this BASE conference is an excellent initiative which aims to establish, to understand marginal sections of the society and their issues. It tries to promote the critical thinking on relevant subjects and intends to develop language for democratic engagement. I must mention that during this pandemic period, BASE has organized almost 55 lectures, and in this time of pandemic and this Amphan crisis, BASE has done wonderful work for the society and social developments. So, today we have some papers. Before that, so today we have 4 papers, and the name is, paper presenters are Nafis Haidar from Aligarh Muslim University, and his title is Pandemic and the New Normal. The second paper is jointly, the second paper is After Apocalypse, a critical inquiry of the politics of hope. It is jointly written by Junaid Ahmed Ehsan and Magna Mahapatro. The third article also jointly written, that the title, the COVID-19 and domestic violence in Kashmir, Voices from Women. It is written by Imran Ahmed Khan and Anayatullah Maglu. The next article, titled Pre-Service Teacher Education at the Time of Pandemic, Articulation of Challenges, Opportunity and Confusion by Teacher Educator and Student Teacher, is jointly written by Khalifa Banu and Muhammad Hassan Mondol. So welcome all scholars, and before that I was to welcome Professor Abdul Mateen, who is an assistant professor in the Department of International Relations, Jadavpur University, to chair the session. So Professor Abdul Mateen, welcome, and it's over to you.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Uh, Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Hassan for inviting me to chair this session. And BASE has been doing quite fascinating job both in terms of intervention in societal aspects as well as in academic field. As I yesterday told, like spoke about the in nutshell about the role of base in creating a lot of academic debates in not only in Bengal but also nationally and internationally. Well, today this is the last final day of base conference 2020, uh, and this year theme is quite important, as we have already gone through the yesterday's papers and as well as discussions, that we could make sense the kind of debate we are really engaging without taking much time. And I'm sure all our esteemed participants and speakers of today's sessions, they're well aware and they have enough time to discuss and deliberate, and then later on we'll have a Q&A sessions. Well, I will be going by order, and Nafis Haider, Zubair Ahmed Hassan, then Imran Ahmed Khan, Inayatullah Manglu, Khalifa Banu, and Mohammad Hassan Mandal. We have all young scholars at different universities, including South Asian University, Delhi. Then you have University of Kashmir, Azim Premji University, Bangalore, and we have from AMU, Aligarh Muslim University. Well, without taking much time, I'm just to begin with, uh, the kind of paper we have in today's session is quite important, both theoretically as well as further food for thoughts for the research. As you correctly know the philosophical context of the idea of new normal and how pandemic has really, if not changed, but really is sort of pushed towards a new directions of both societal directions as well as research. Well, without taking much time, what I will do is that I'll directly come to. I'll go by order. Hassan Saab is right. That as order which is prescribed in our schedule.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay. Well,
yes.
first speaker is, and today's first speaker of today's session is Mr. Nafis Haider from Aligarh Muslim University, and he'll be speaking on pandemic and the new normal. And this is very important, by the way, just to give an idea that how we perceive the idea of normal, an idea of new normal, and then of course in the during the pandemic and the post pandemic phase, how we are negotiating in our everyday lives, in not only in on institutional negotiations but also in our everyday life, how we negotiate. Without much delay, I would like to invite Nafis Haider from Aligarh Muslim University to present his paper. Thank you.